Mike, let's just talk about today. Forget everything else.
Yep, going to be warm.
Beautiful.
Taste of spring.
Thank you very much.
Yep, there's the forecast.
In other news.
That's all you need to know. Yeah, let's jump into what's going on with the weather today, though. We've got a lot of moving pieces with this. First and foremost is going to be the wind. The wind holds the key to the forecast today in two reasons. One, I think it's going to get fairly windy later on today, and we already have some power issues this morning. And two, the wind direction is going to play a huge role in just how warm we actually get today. If we can keep wind more out of the west versus the southwest, some coastal areas will make it into the mid-60s. If we end up with more of a southwest wind, though, that could cap temperatures. Either way, it's going to be very warm out there. Dew points reflect that, too. Dew point up to 38 in Freiburg and Greenville now, which means that we're finally starting to push out that cold, dense air that was locked in place. Dew points will climb a little bit more today before they fall back behind the front tonight. And with this, of course, we've got some showers still trying to work their way through the mountains. Mostly just light showers at this point in time. Visibility down across parts of central Maine as we mix in some fog and that warm, moist air sits on top of the colder ground. It's very warm on the warm side of the storm and very cold on the cold side, and that's usually how this works. If you have one extreme, it gets balanced out by the other. And once this front actually passes through later on today, we will certainly see that cold air waste no time spilling in. Headlines today, possible record warmth. It's going to be breezy and sunny. Could there be some ice jam issues? Maybe across northern New Hampshire and western Maine. I'm going to be watching that closely. Reality, aka winter, is back beginning tomorrow, and a snowstorm is on the way Friday. Colder conditions settle in, and it's going to be generally colder, not only this weekend, but next week too. By 10 o'clock this morning, some spots are already in the 60s. I mean, just wicked warm. A lot of sunshine out there, wind coming out of the west, southwest, a warm wind direction for us. I think that Bangor and Portland both have a chance at breaking the record today. Record in Bangor is 57 degrees, record in Portland is 61. Our forecast by 4 o'clock, though, shows that the cold front will be moving in and temperatures will be falling accordingly. 29 Berlin, New Hampshire, 24 in Rangeley, 34 in Millinocket, still near 50 in Bangor and then south along the coastline, but that changes by 10 o'clock tonight, and then fast forward to 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, and it is going to be a totally different type of morning out there. Temperatures for most back down well below freezing in the single digits and teens, and I don't really expect that to change much as we get closer. Here's the forecast high temperatures. Again, Bangor and Portland both have a chance at breaking records. Could even be a little bit warmer across parts of York County than we have forecast here right now. But things change for Friday. Cold air settles in, high pressure to the north on Friday, low pressure to the south. Snow begins right around daybreak on Friday and lasts through the entire day and doesn't wrap up until late Friday night into Saturday morning. Colder air settles in again for the weekend on Saturday, and then on Sunday we watch this front sag south, and with it a couple of snow showers possible. But here's the big story with Friday's storm. Mostly light, fluffy snow, about 6 to 12 inches for this area in purple here. York and Cumberland counties included. Freiburg, right on the line, most of the mid-coast. 3 to 6 inches for central Maine, and north of that, not quite as much because it's just going to be a little too far from the storm itself. Seas today, 9 to 12 feet, southwest wind 20 to 25 knots, gusting to 35 knots. Gale warnings in effect until 11 o'clock. Tomorrow, we snap back to reality. Snow on Friday, mostly sunny Saturday, a couple of snow showers Sunday, no impacts from those. Cold and blustery Monday, then March 1st rolls around and it'll be close to normal.
Okay, well, I guess there are no 20s on there, right?
Correct.
Okay.
That's the bright side.
That is.
Yeah, there's a 19 on Friday. It's not a 20. You're right.